You are from a non-English speaking country. You completed your education maybe 10, 12 years back. 8 years back, okay. 10, 12, 8, 14 years back. You were a teacher there. Or you were almost a teacher there. You got all your education, but you couldn't work because of any particular reason. Now you want to be a teacher in Australia, but you're not sure how you can. As I said, you have a long gap in your education, so you're not confident. Whether will you be able to do this or not? I get many queries like this. Sahil, I have been living in this country for last 8 to 10 years now. The last time I touched books for my own study or my own education was in 2010, 2012. Now I'm not sure if I'll be able to do this or not. Yes, you can. Sharon from Sydney, New South Wales, a strong Indian woman. She's an inspiration, at least to me she is. She shares a similar profile with you all. Came to Australia 6 years, 8 years, or maybe 10 years back, just like you. Not really confident of her English skills. Working in a school there, in a kindergarten, of course, can communicate with native Australians and can do her everyday chores by herself, everything. But just like many of you out there, not really confident of her English skills when it comes to sit in an exam. She took her exam once. She couldn't clear it. Her score was not as per her desire. She didn't give up. She decided to work on it. She took help of her daughter's books. Her daughter is in primary school. She used her English textbooks to work on her grammar skills. Then we started working on her ISLPR modules. All those four modules, writing, reading, listening, and speaking, we started working on them. Ultimately, she sat for the test again and she cleared all her four modules in the span of next 2 months. Just imagine you are not confident today because you, coming from a non-English speaking country, completed your education years back, cut to today, now you are a full-fledged teacher in Australia with 4 each or maybe 4 plus in some modules in ISLPR. Isn't it inspirational? Thank you, Sharon, for inspiring me. Thank you so much for inspiring everybody else. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you need help with your ISLPR classes, feel free to contact. Thank you so much.